Okay, I just bought this BESTEK pure sine wave inverter, and for $66. And on the YouTube channel, somebody complained that this is pure sine wave without load, but under load the waveform is not pure sine wave. And let's take a look. So here I put this one into the scope, and the scope will show. Right now it's not loaded, and I will run this one to the computer. Right now there's no load. This wire not connected to computer yet, so I just turn on and see what it looks like the wave. So this is no load. Yeah, so this is a sine wave. Looks pretty good. Let's see. Yeah, good sine wave. Okay, now I put the computer on. Turn on the computer. The computer is 300 watts. You can see 140, 150. So it goes to 350. Yeah, 200 watts right now. Yeah, under the load you can see that it's still sine wave. Yeah, I just wait until it hits 300, 349, 320. So it is hitting 349, 320. Oh, sorry, my probe is broke. Okay, let's see. Right now it's under load. The sine wave is pretty good, I would say. So I would say this is the pure sine wave output under the load.
Pretty unusual looking sine wave. It's kind of a little noisy here. It's not like clean. It's like jaggy a little bit. So I'm not quite sure what's going on. I do have the PC connected to it right now, and we're going to power it up. It started to become a little bit more noisy on the output. So the machine is booting. Up. It just cranked up a little higher, the fan. The output of the BESTEK 500W has changed dramatically. It is noisy as hell under load. Holy crap, it just got really bad. Really bad. So, and we're using a real battery now, all right? So this is the battery we're using. I went to Walmart, picked this up for $54. There's 525 cold cranking amps, but we're not doing that. And this is the power going down to the PC, okay? And this goes to the oscilloscope, which is here, so we can actually monitor the output signal, which is the reason why we're doing this, because we want to verify. I want to tell you, get this, and it's because it's awesome, and it really sucks. This has a load on it, and it looks like the output. I don't know, I'm not sure. I mean, it's working, but it's not a pure sine wave, so something is going on with this. So the output got really, really bad. So what we're going to do is I'm going to record this like this, and then we're going to shut the load off. See if it actually changes without a load. So if this thing changes, that means with the load, it's not as good as we thought. So we'll see if the image changes. So we're in the process of shutting down. It is off right now. And look at that. It's changing as we speak. No load. It gets cleaner with the load. So yeah, I'm not very impressed with this at all. And we're going to see what happens here. Plugged in. Give it a green light. You can hear a cooling fan. So far, so good. We're going to plug in
a device and see if it works. It's very firm. Right, so this is a small air compressor.
Testing brand new BESTEK 500W pure sine wave connected to gel 100 amps battery. Charge at 12.8. It's interesting though. As soon as I turn on, fan kicks in. That's not good.
Hello, this is the BESTEK 500W power inverter that I purchased, and it's going to this battery that is fully charged by this battery tender. I have it so that this battery does not die, but it's fully hooked up